Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Wing service as a generator of life on the plant. Landing gear. Landing gear, the main support of the aircraft when parking, taxi, moving on the ground, taking off, or when landing. Radar is the control area when the aircraft is doing yaw. Vertical stabilizer, intended to reduce aerodynamic side slip and provide direction stability. Engine function as a propulsion force on the aircraft. Cockpit function as an aircraft control room, which is located at the very front of the aircraft. Flag serves to assist the aircraft in the take-off process by moving downwards. Aileron stabilize the plane in a lateral direction. Reverse aileron movement between left and right, up or down, deflection. Elevator, the control function that directs the fuselage up or down and feature that raise the altitude of the aircraft by change the contact angle of the aircraft. Horizontal stabilizer, the main function of the stabilizer field is to keep the aircraft in a straight and horizontal flying condition. Thank you.